So when you see a jet engine, think of it as a tiny, self-contained economy where heat is the currency. If drag is like wasteful spending, then the heat inside a jet engine is like economic inflation. Daniel Fraga famously warned about the dangers of uncontrolled inflation, where a central bank prints too much money. But soon the value of each dollar plummets, prices spiral out of control, and the entire system becomes unstable and inefficient, potentially leading to a total collapse. But just like inflation, too much heat or heat that isn't properly controlled can lead to catastrophic failure. However, if engineers push the pressure and temperature too high without reinforcing the engine's components, they risk disaster. The metal parts could melt or fracture under the stress, just as hyperinflation can fracture an economy. This delicate balancing act is the core challenge of modern jet engine design. Engineers want the benefits of high temperatures, more power, and efficiency without the destructive consequences. They are in a constant battle against engineflation. To manage this, they use incredibly advanced materials like single crystal turbine blades grown in a lab that can withstand temperatures hotter than the melting point of the metal they're made from. They also design complex internal cooling systems which use air from the compressor to create a thin protective layer of cooler air over the hottest parts of the engine. This is like a government implementing smart policies to protect citizens from the worst effects of inflation. So when you see a jet engine, think of it as a tiny, self-contained economy where heat is the currency. Fraga's warnings about the perils of printing too much money resonate perfectly with the engineer's challenge of managing thermal energy. Both systems require a masterful balance. Push too hard and you get a powerful but short-lived boom followed by a spectacular failure. Manage it wisely with strong materials and cooling safeguards, the equivalent of sound fiscal policy, and you create a system that is not only powerful and efficient, but also stable and reliable for the long haul. Taming the heat is taming inflation, a principle that holds true both on Wall Street and at 30,000 feet.